Welcome everyone. Hi. Do you want to have actually a 15 USDT for free? Come on Discord and just hot react to this post, and you're going to be a participant. Results are going to be announced by 1st April. And the second offer is that if you want to be a part of my private, then also consider watching this video right over here, how to join when I trade, because some of you want to trade when I trade. So for that one, it's simple. Go to the video description, click on the Discord, enter the Discord. It's open for the next 7 days. Hurry up, no time here. All right, let's continue on with the Jasmy update. All right, so the last time we talked about a triangle that is forming up for Jasmy, and I told you about this triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you pop to the downside, the issue is that you're coming down for this technical target. If you pop back up, you're looking for that technical target to the upside as well. So unfortunately, at the moment, Bitcoin has moved up really high. And I do believe that, Bitcoin is very bullish, of course. I think Bitcoin is trying to get $69,000. But before going to $69,000, of course, you're going to have some wave, like move up, come down, move up, and then come down. So that's how Bitcoin's behavior is going to be at the moment. Which means basically that right now, for Jasmy, is that Bitcoin went to $28,000 from $18,000. I think from here you're looking for that small little bit of a correction to the downside. And if Bitcoin comes down for the correction, we might look at Jasmy trying to go down as well. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Now, at the moment, it's a very simple trade pattern, right? This is a triangle, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. This is almost like an A here, the B here, the C, the D, and the E right there. So this is a very clear Elliott wave, A, B, C, D, E triangle count as well. And the problem is that you've already broken down. Can you go for the retest? Okay, this is another scenario that you can expect. If this happened that you go above like this and backtest this, and then this is going to be fake out. And is there any fake outs? Yes, there could be fake outs at any time. There could be any fake outs, but at the moment, what you have to know is the following. If I take the stick, you take the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're actually breaking out. This is where your technical target is laying down there. So you're looking at 3,800 levels for Jasmy, and maybe in the future try to go back up again. But the problem with that one is that you're going to be losing this demand zone. Let me tell you one thing. You're going to be losing the box that you don't want to lose, and that's very negative. If you lose this box, then that means you have the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and then you have all this pattern, a technical target to come down to that price level, which is a weighted price level. I don't know if you're going to come down there, if you're somehow meant to go down there, if you're bounded to go down there, but it could happen, unfortunately. So that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy. Quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Come on Discord, get that $15. Simple money, okay? Easy peasy dinner, and that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.